Welcome to our Light Elegance P Plus application tutorial. We'll start by cleansing the natural nail using LE Pro Cleanser and the LE Pro Cleansing Wipes. The LE Pro Cleanser is a fragrance-free and dye-free dehydrator and cleanser. Unlike other cleansers, it contains no water, only a blend of isopropanol and acetone. This helps prevent product discoloration and ensures best adhesion. The LE Pro cleansing wipes are completely lint-free with no clay or plasticizers, so they won't leave any residue behind. Using these together sets the foundation for a long-lasting gel manicure. Next, use a cuticle pusher to gently push back the cuticles, remembering to get into the sidewalls. This step is crucial for a clean finish and preventing lifting. For even faster prep, you can use the Zippy file and Z-bits. Then dust off the nails using the LE Pro Duster Brush, which has ultra-soft bristles to remove dust without scratching the nail surface or your client. Now take the perfect file. This dual-sided 100/180 grit file gives you everything you need for both prep and shaping. For P+, using the 180 grit side, lightly remove the shine from the natural nail and gently rough up the top layer. This helps the product adhere properly. You can also use the file to refine the shape and clean up around the cuticle area. The goal here is a chalky-looking nail surface. Next, use cuticle nippers to precisely trim cuticles. Careful preparation is the key to a smooth product application and a flawless finished look. The last step of nail prep is to remove all dust with an LE Pro cleansing wipe and the LE Pro cleanser. Anytime we file, we always want to cleanse thoroughly to eliminate dust particles. Now, let's apply Light Elegance P QDBase. Using a thin coat, apply it from cuticle to free edge. P QDBase is designed for both adhesion and quick removal. It allows P color and glitter gel polish to soak off in just 7 to 10 minutes while offering 21+ days of wear. Cure the QDBase for 1 minute in an LED dot or mini dot lamp. Now we're ready for P Plus gel polish. Apply a thin, even coat from cuticle to free edge. Thin application is key because we'll be applying 2 coats. We don't want the product to be too thick, as this can lead to improper curing. Cure for 1 minute in the LED dot or mini dot lamp. Like all Light Elegance gels, the P Plus gel polish system is 100% free of HEMA monomers and responsibly manufactured in Redmond, Oregon. It applies like a traditional nail lacquer but lasts up to 21 days. Now for the second coat. This shade is Kiss My Sass, a bold, sassy raspberry red with a stunning pink shimmer. Remember to always cap the free edge for the best longevity. Cure the second coat for 1 minute in the LED dot or mini dot lamp. Time for top coat! Whether you choose P Plus, no wipe top coat, or high shine top coat, both deliver a beautifully glossy finish with easy application and no pullback. Cure for 1 minute and you've got a fast, easy, and stunning manicure. To finish, apply Ellie Pro Cuticle Oil, an all-natural blend of hydrating oils that nourishes the skin and nails. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and smells wonderful. Thanks for watching.